Wag nang sige sis.
Ba't to Tita Sing-Sang? Tita Sang, busog ba ta?
Would you try to ride at the back?
Yeah.
Of the Carabao?
Yeah, I'll try the back. Let me put the boots on. So just go ahead and put
No,
these
just later.
We should use your slipper.
You want,
Wag naman.
Oo.
you like there?
Dapat nagbaang ko yung tubig.
Wait, kunin mo yung tubig niya.
Ay, papatestikin sa mga.
on. Big ass beetle.
Wait, I will get your
Your Carabao.
You like there? Sit there.
Later.
Later. Now. Carabao is walk, no run.
Wag nang sige sis. Manhime. Akoy. For experience ating pinsel. For experience na.
Madalas na. Hindi ko maltakaltag.
Manas yan. Nakagahin ang. Pintas anak mo eh. Honey, say hi.
Huh?
Say hi.
Hi. This is so bumpy. My God, how far back is this farm? How far back is the farm?
It's really bad.
Really far in, damn.
Magkita na nagdadong ako ipil. Ayan, tayo kanya tayo ka.
So I possibly saw it from the drone. When I was like 300 feet up.
Sakop lang sa kinigin sa latin kaya.
Talo nang dumalang ati ang aparte.
Sarting mo dika ay mangga.
Smile, Gudo.
Picture na nga rin na.
Sana ko.
School.
Yeah, going to Friends.
Going to friend
Carabao.
from America.
Yeah. Two close friends.
Santo Isorot Muntaw.